Welcome to PCS Current News program. The topic of discussion is strengthening India CARICOM ties. PM Modi proposed 7 key pillars to enhance India's relations with CARICOM countries during the second India CARICOM summit. The summit marked the first visit by an Indian head of state to Guyana in over 50 years, emphasizing the importance of these ties. The proposal aims to address shared challenges and aspirations, focusing on mutual cooperation in various sectors. Discussions included strengthening economic cooperation, health, agriculture, and climate change initiatives among member nations. Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description. Moving on to key pillars proposed by PM Modi. Capacity building, increasing scholarship opportunities and establishing a forensic center for CARICOM countries, agriculture and food security, enhancing food security measures and agricultural cooperation among member states. Renewable energy and climate change, collaborating on renewable energy projects to combat climate change impacts. Innovation, technology and trade, promoting trade and technology exchange to boost economic growth in the region. Now moving on to significance of the summit. The summit represents a renewed commitment to strengthen ties between India and CARICOM nations amid global challenges. It reflects India's strategic focus on deepening relations with Caribbean nations through collaborative efforts. The proposals aim to create a framework for ongoing cooperation in various sectors, fostering sustainable development. The meeting underscored the historical connections between India and the Caribbean, especially concerning people of Indian origin in the region. Now is the time for practice question. Which area is not one of the 7 pillars? Capacity building, renewable energy, space exploration, or ocean economy? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.